Hi, I'm Dr. Rena, specialist dentist, and I want to talk to you about cleaning between your teeth. So I'm not sure if you're aware, but if you're not cleaning between your teeth, you're actually missing almost half the surfaces of your teeth. So it's a bit like having a dirty dish and only cleaning one side of it by brushing. You've got to clean everything for you to be able to eat from that plate. So interdental brushes are ideal. If they don't fit between the teeth, you can use floss, but interdental brushes are your first option. Obviously, there are different brands that you can use. The main thing with this is that you need to use the right size. So ask your dental professional to check what sizes you are, and you might be multiple sizes across the mouth. But the key thing is it needs to have a snug fit. That means it's actually doing something. Otherwise, you're not getting rid of any of the bacteria against the teeth. And when to use these, so minimum once a day. You can either do it first thing in the morning or in the evening. I would do this before brushing your teeth. And the way you use it, you just pop it between the teeth like so, and then use a few strokes forward and back, and a few strokes to the side, and a few strokes to the other side. So you're really getting all the surfaces. You then rinse it and you move on to the next gap.